Hi guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be making this delicious black eyed peas cook up with beef and chicken. So there I soaked my peas and I'm going to boil that until it's nice and tender. Then to a preheated pan I'm going to add my seasoned beef. I'll let the beef go for about 20 minutes. I'm doing that first. This smells delicious. Then I'm going in with my seasoned chicken and allow this to go for an additional 10 minutes. You can see everything looks good. It smells absolutely amazing in here. Then I'm going to add some diced carrots and parsley. Now that is optional. If you do not have carrot or parsley, you don't have to put that in there. Then I'm going to add my cooked black eye beans or peas. Toss that up. And I'm going to add my washed rice here as well. Mix everything up really well. Then for my liquid, I am going to use coconut milk and some water. Then I'm going to adjust the seasoning and you can do the same. I'll leave everything that I use here in the description box. And that is my coconut milk. You're going to cover and allow it to cook for about 35 to 40 minutes and it's done. Looks amazing, tastes delicious. Thank you for watching. Be kind to yourself and each other. Do not forget to subscribe, like, share, and drop me a comment. Bye-bye.